Mjolo will humble you by Ntendeni Rubengo. Episode 10. I love Thohoyandou. Home is home, Bazalwane. Home is home. Thohoyandou is my town, my city, my country, my planet, my world, my universe, my existence. Welcome to Thohoyandou. Welcome to the makings of my heart. Home is where we go to be humbled and be reminded to be down to earth. What a journey, Bazalwane, and you walked me through it. We still have a long way to go, okay? This story, trust me, hasn't even begun yet. But this is where it starts. Thohoyandou. This is my town, and I cannot run away from the heart this town gives me. Come pit toilets, load shedding, pollution, noise, traumatizing exes, all forms of annoyances. Come what may, I don't care. Nothing will change the fact that this is my town, and no matter how bad it gets, it will always have a special place in my heart. Thohoyandou. I was awakened from my afternoon sleep by the smell and taste of my favorite chicken in Thohoyandou. They don't deliver to the village. They don't deliver to the middle of nowhere. Unfortunately, we are too far, so we have to get up and go to town, okay? Bazalwane, let me tell you something, okay? I've been around the world with chicken, ne? Fried, roast, stewed, fried, braised, barbecued, grilled, boiled, whatever. I've been around the globe eating chicken. But let me tell you something. Nothing beats the chicken from Chicken Corner in Thohoyandou. The chicken dreams made me wake up in a good mood. This is my first time putting a smile on my face since meeting the devil. Wow, am I in a good mood, guys? I got up and bathed in the river. I wanted running water, Wore my favorite spring white and blue dress. Let my braids down and looked fresh. I look fresh, happy, rested, feminine, and just in a good mood in general. Just lovely. Nice, okay? And now, I'm not meeting a man. I'm meeting my favorite chicken in the world. I have a date with chicken. I'm dressing up and looking good just for my favorite chicken in town, okay? Wow, I'm home. The taxi ride playing local music, the sounds of the beautiful language that's Tshivenda in the air, the laughter, the joy, the easygoing nature of my people. I miss this, Bazalwane. The small talk, the friendly conversation I had with an old Venda lady in the taxi, the friendliness, the community spirit, the belonging. I belong here. Wow. Am I falling in love with home and my people once again? Wow. I'm home. Chicken Corner, we are here. Wow. I would never come here on a date, okay? The way I eat this chicken. There's something about this chicken that takes me to my own world, where I eat like a pig. All manners leave the room and I dive into my chicken with no care in the world and no care who sees, no care who judges, okay? This chicken. What a meal. Real chicken, that is. Real chicken, Bazalwane. You must try it, okay? And just when I'm about to leave Chicken Corner, who's that? Bazalwane, who's that? Tikon Pepo. Oh, what? Is that Tikon Pepo? My heart starts beating fast. Oh my God. I got caught. What do I say? Where do I hide? What excuses do I make? Where do I go? Where do I run to? What a way for the devil to spoil my beautiful day, hey? Is that Tico? Phew. Not him. Relax. Not him, Bazalwane. Okay? Sure. Almost spoiled my day, hey? I almost died. Oh, this town is beautiful. The colors in the air, everything is just wow. And you are home when people spot you in town. Doesn't happen in Tokyo. I'm home. An old high school classmate who comments on how Japan was good for me and even gave me a complexion. A light complexion being a symbol of healthier, okay? A dusty uncle who asks for spare coins because he thinks in Japan money grew on trees and thinks I came back a millionaire. He sees me as an ATM because I was working abroad, okay? You know how Africans are when you work abroad. They think you breathe money. A lovely distant auntie who doesn't ask for money because she has manners. But you give her anyways because she's just a wonderful being to be around. She bothers no one, minds her business, encourages the kids to do their best, and wins Auntie of the Year all day, all year round. You know the auntie all the kids love in the family most. Aww, she deserves all the blessings going her way. Yeah, ne, this is home. Thohoyandou, you will always be my town, my home, my family, my heart. The colorful people, the colorful markets, the poetic language in the air, the warmth of my people, their helpfulness, their friendliness. A rainbow people indeed. Ah, Thohoyandou, my home, my town, my people, my heart, my existence. I find myself swirling in the air with my arms wide open. The way this town tickles my happiness, Bazalwane, ne? I swirl and swirl and swirl and swirl in the air. It's the joy this town gives me. Thohoyandou is my joy. I love Thohoyandou.